This table has our customer details but it's missing their membership numbers. Sheet 2 contains raw data and the member numbers we want to add to Sheet 1. Make sure the names are sorted in ascending order. Click on the top cell in the Members column and type your formula equals VLOOKUP. Select the data in the Names column. Add a comma in the formula. Add the range where you want Excel to look for the data. Click on Sheet 2 tab, and it will automatically add it into the formula. Select both the names and member number columns. Add another comma in the formula. Type 2, then add a comma. We want the exact information, so type false in the formula. Close parentheses. Press Enter. The member numbers from Sheet 2 will now populate in the table, column B, in Sheet 1.